lunch break at exactly 12 o'clock. Versus John Anderson Posadas, red. Joseph Salaw of Extreme Blue versus Roscoe Ray Carino of Cedric's Gym, red. Raymond Rodis of TNS versus Jean Giron of Philmore, red. Lahat ng natawag na players.
Pumasok lahat ng counter ni Reyna.
Lahat ng natawag na players kindly proceed to inspection area A.
Yes!
Point number 10. Last call for Teresa Surana. Last call for Teresa Surana of UP. Please wear your blue armor and proceed to the inspection area now. This is your last call. Paging the coach of Red Dragon. Red Dragon or any representative from the team, please proceed to the corners area now. Again, paging the coach of Red Dragon or any representative. Versus Miguel Alberto of FPU, red. Tato Ami Hussein Al-Jaki of HGCC, blue versus Jerome Caisi of Rizal, red.
Oh my! Warren!
Elijah Marcelino of Rizal, blue versus Alvin Melano of SRISA, red. Jason Simoy of MTM Gonzol, blue versus Joel Ekiva of Central Gym, red. Wesley Lopez of UP, blue versus Harley Reynosa of Batangas, red. Jeffrey Calderon of Tank Troopers, blue versus Jason Pagaw of Ames, red.